The plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today I am working on the cutest little bird from Gen 8, Eiscue. I hope I'm saying his name right. He is just a little penguin with an ice cube for a head, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. So I don't always do this, but today I'm starting out with a base layer in white, and I just gradually add layers of paper for each part of his body. So I'll add blue and black paper for the body, and then lots of blue papers for his little ice cube head. And yeah, I'm really happy with how this one turned out. It took me between a half hour and 45 minutes to make, so not too long. But it definitely is one that I feel like looks almost store-bought. Not all of mine look that good. I hope that everybody is hanging in there. I hope that you are finding ways to relax right now, whether it be watching a movie or TV show or working on a craft or playing a game. Do what you gotta do to have some fun and relax. So when I ran some data to see which Pokemon were most popular on my channel, I saw that my Gen 8 videos do really well, which makes sense because Sword and Shield is the newest game, but since I don't have a Switch, I just didn't think of that. I just made mostly Gen 1 Pokemon because that's the stuff that I see in the games I play, but I will try to do more Gen 8 stuff now that I know that that's what people want to see, and there are still some really cute Pokemon designs from that generation, so I'm excited to make some of them. You might have noticed I am not using as much Elmer's glue lately, or glue sticks. I've been using a Tombow double-sided tape. It's really strong, and it doesn't take much effort for me to get the glue on. But I still use an Elmer's glue stick occasionally, especially for the smaller pieces that the tape is too wide for. If you have any suggestions for what I should be working on, please let me know down in the comments. Can't promise I'll work on it, but I will listen, so. I'm definitely in a mood to make more bird Pokemon lately, I don't know why. In our next episode, I will be featuring a shiny Jumpluff, so if that is something that you would like to see, please make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, stuff like that. That will be out in a couple days. I really like shiny Jumpluff because he's so cute and pink and fluffy, and well, I just like Jumpluff and grass types in general. Who am I kidding? So I cut out the two colors that I'm using for the head, and then just trim the one down to show the faces of the cube. I know in the reference photo in the top right I am showing the image from the Pokédex, but I think for this I was looking at game footage, so he looks a little bit different in mine. And I don't quite have the right size hole punch for the eyes, so I ended up cutting them down and cutting out my own. For the beak, I do the same things that I did for the eyes and cut out two different shades to give it some dimension. Oh man, you know I don't have much small talk to make when I'm just talking about exactly what I'm doing in the craft. I mean, honestly, I've just been watching the news and I've been working and playing Cyberpunk, so I don't have that much interesting stuff to talk about right now, so... for the eyes, I decided to add some hearts to give it a little bit of kawaii. Hopefully I'll get up to something interesting this week so I have something to talk about with everybody, but nope, just staying home, crafting, working. I decided to do an outline for him with red paper before he went on his background paper. And I really like this background paper. It kind of reminds me of like a picnic blanket, and I feel like I don't know, he reminds me of picnics. Maybe it's because his head is an ice cube and you'd want to bring ice cubes for your drinks, but I thought that it would look nice with him. And I really like the outline. It helps him stand out on the page so well. I'm thinking about doing this but with black paper for some Pokemon, so it kind of looks like the animation art, the black outlines. And unlike my normal style, I didn't do a washi tape border. I used these tickets to add some extra details to the background. And this is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry I didn't have as much to talk about this time, but maybe that is okay with you. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We are getting so close to 100 Pokemon. It's very exciting. And yeah, I will see you all again soon.